We know that our tech and innovation sector is so vital to the vibrancy of our state's economy. We know that tech accounts for 5% of Missouri's total employment and 10% of the state's gross state product.
You're in an excellent position in Missouri to take advantage of change. This is a time of rapid technological shifts. The last time we saw this in America was probably in the 60s with computers and space race and all of that. We haven't seen this kind of technological shift since then. Your position here is as a low-cost, collaborative state working to make your people ready for the next opportunity that comes along.
It's been said that by the year 2050, we need to double our agricultural output to feed the world. And the only way we're going to do that is to keep innovating and finding better ways to produce more with less.
We basically are able to take individuals from all diverse areas, whether it's from high school dropouts to PhDs. We are able to take them, we are able to train them, we give really good on-the-job training to individuals, so we can take a person from minimum wage and take them to a $30 wage.
We're really excited to see the future of Missouri and work with all of you and collaborate. Our communities are also very important to us because our employees live here. So we want them to thrive, and we want those jobs here in our state.
It's so important to ensure that we move forward with a purpose, but we also move forward with a plan, and that we ensure that we secure real progress. I'm looking throughout this room and the leadership we've made in this state. I'm extremely confident that the future of our state is extremely bright.